it's Matthew here in sweet Jamaica. Today I am in Portmore, beautiful Portmore, just around from Kingston, and we are hanging out at a very unique yard here, about to climb up on a roof for a little rooftop kitchen cook-up action with Mik from Yard Life's Good and Chef Rameish DeSouza, an amazing young upcoming chef straight from Jamaica. All right, so we are gonna climb up this ladder here. Some rooftop vibes. Safety first, you know. Here we go. Yes, Mik.
Oh, yes, man.
Rameish.
WOYOOIE.
Yeah, what's up? So cool to be here.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for hosting. And thanks for lining it up.
Crazy vibe, man.
Yeah.
Yo, today, we're going to eat something special.
Yeah.
Me, myself, never tried before. Let me show you something. Bam!
Whoa! So we got a banana.
What is it called? Banana stock?
Yeah, banana stock.
Oh, man.
So Rameish is known for some unique creative twists, not your typical stuff. So banana stock is a new one for you.
One of the most creative chefs in Jamaica. One of the most creative chefs in Jamaica. Better believe that. Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah, it's such a vibe up here. You got a real wicked view of the neighborhood. Got the chickens and roosters clucking in the background. Ackee tree literally right behind me. And just perfect spot for a cookout on a nice chill afternoon in Jamaica.
Actually using rice bag to catch fire.
The rice bag technique.
Yeah, rice bag technique. That's it.
Alright, so today we'll be making banana tree and ackee with some rice and peas rum punch. So here's the banana tree.
What?
Yes. So a lot of people didn't know that this is actually edible, and when you cook it, it gives like a pop chow / cabbage vibe, you know, that crunchy vegetable texture.
No way.
Yeah, so we actually be cooking in the middle right here. We are down in the middle, like the deeper you get the softer the banana tree is. So these parts are more trashy, so we'll be cooking deep down in the middle. Yeah, so stay tuned and look what I'm going.
Oh man. And for drinks, you got something crazy too, I hear.
Yeah, the rice and peas rum punch. So, rice, peas, rum punch. You know, like peanut punch, oat punch, Dragon Stout punch, but this is rice and peas. Yeah, super delicious. I wanna go cook rice and peas together, like season rice and peas, and then blend it up. We'll be cooking them separate. So, rice over here, peas over here, cook it up, and incorporate it with Dragon Stout, rum, all these delicious things. So it will be amazing. Nice. Amazing.
Stoked, can't wait. So yeah, it is a vibe here on the rooftop. We're catching a little breeze now. The sun's starting to go down, cooling off a little bit, which is very appreciative. Mik's been telling me that Portmore is known for heat. And if it's raining in Kingston, it's probably nice and dry over here. And it definitely feels like that today. So I'm really interested in this banana tree because I know there's a lot of tropical fruits and plants that grow in Jamaica that actually don't get eaten that much, and I have seen them eaten in a lot of other places like Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, these kind of places. It's a regular part of the cuisine, but not as known here. So I think I will have to say this is the first time that I've seen a banana stem, or whatever you would call it, used in Jamaican cuisine. So absolutely incredible, can't wait. So the pot is just cooking up the peas, I think. We got all the ingredients here, thanks to Mik, going and picking everything up. Some sweet banana, veggie oil, salt, seasoning, flour. This is classic in Jamaica, scallion and thyme together, never apart. Nice onions, cabbage, little peppers, ackee, nice and picked. Can't go wrong with some Dragon Stout, and yeah, all-purpose season up, and some ram goat. So yeah, very curious, very interesting, and yeah, some white rum. Wray and Nephew, if you're looking for people to sponsor, I'm pretty sure myself, Mik, and Rameish are all interested in some free product.
I'm not sure, but I think in Jamaica them say, oh, like when, I'm not sure if it happens at every cookout, but they say once you're doing cooking in Jamaica and it involves rum, I think you should pull the rum and like wet up the place a little, like take a little out of the car, just like this. Let me do it like this, you know, like wet up the place a little.
Yeah,
oh, sorry, man.
Yeah,
sorry,
okay.
but wet up the place a little. I think that like get rid of some evil spirits or something like that. But crazy, man. But yo, this is strong. The broccoli is strong. Yeah, so it's crazy, man. We're gonna eat some banana tree, and I guess this is going to mix with the ackee right here, and the chef say, yo, this basically giving cabbage pop chow vibe. So yo, can't wait to try this, man.
So cool. It's going off.
Pressure cook up on cold fire. Yo, like literally this take like 5 minutes to start acting up.
So fast.
Yeah, yeah. The fire is going good, and the peas inside already. Peas inside already, so you know, pressure in a go on, you know. That's the vibe.
Oh. We're on the roof here.
Oh yes.
Oh, bonus.
Bonus.
Super speed. Got all the chickens. Did you know chickens could fly? Look at that chicken fly. In Canada, the chickens are too fat to fly, or their wings are clipped. So I remember seeing chickens fly here and being amazed. I thought they could just flap around, but here they are flying into trees. Fit Jamaican chicken. Oh whoa! We're doubling it up.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, man. So naturally in Jamaica, yeah. Oh. Yeah, man. When you have two, if you not like two cold stove one time, and you like one, basically you like one and you need to light the other one, you just get some live coal from out of the one that's actually blazing already, you know. Right. Yeah, that's only if you not like the two of them one time, you know. If you light one first and then that fire blaze, you know, you can get the live coal from that one, and then yeah, put it in the fresh one.
Start ripping up quick.
Yeah.
After we cook it, we'll be using it to make the rice and peas rum punch. Clean off back that starch.
So any kind of rice, Rameish? Like standard Shelly rice?
I would recommend white rice instead of brown rice, because brown rice is more, how would I call it? It's more gummy.
Yeah.
Brown rice is more chewy. White rice is just soft and blending right out, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt.
Add some salt in there.
Yeah, you need to catch that.
So we got both the rice and the peas cooking. Yeah. Right away, I can focus on the banana tree.
Yes. Okay, this is a cool one, yeah, Mik?
So this is the banana tree right here, this lovely baby.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay. So you said the older the better, yeah?
Yeah, the older the better. Because you see when the banana tree young, you got a limited amount of trash to deal with.
Okay.
Yeah, but when the banana tree old, the older the banana tree, the fatter it is. So we got more of this, more stem. Yeah, it's fatter. The deeper we go, the softer inside will be. So like this, out here, so, is way too thick.
Yeah.
Way too thick. If we try to clean up this, we'll be wasting a lot of it. Basically most of it, so we can go so and throw this away.
Later.
Just a friendly reminder, we'll be cooking ackee and banana tree. Ackee and banana tree peeps. So this is the end. We've been resting this on the floor all over, so we can just cut off the end and throw it away. We're gonna go a bit deeper. Yeah, out here is still kind of thick. Or the softest part of it, so we'll go deeper. We cut that, chip it down some more.
Oh, it sounds so
Just
crunchy.
like that.
Yeah, it looks like a palm
see the-
heart. Yeah.
Further we go, the more softer it is. Look at that. Alright.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh yeah.
this is it. This is what we're looking for.
One roll of cartridge paper.
WOYOOIE.
Oh yeah.
Ciao.
So these parts we can show them out.
Yeah, so it's even got the color, look of a cabbage. Looks very crunchy. Sounds very crunchy. This is one of those ones you can easily find in Jamaica, but you're not going to see it out in many dishes, I would say.
So the banana tree is a thing like this. It takes the flavor of whatsoever you cook it with. Yes, sir. First you cook it with saltfish. It takes the flavor of saltfish.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's fresh, it's pretty fresh, and I'm gonna let you guys taste it right after I clean up some of it.
So Rameish, I'm kind of surprised that the old ones are better eating.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Because you would think the young ones would be
you see
nice.
The young ones, they're really thin.
Ah, okay.
And you see when we're cleaning it, we need to take off this part. The stringy part.
Yeah.
We need to peel off the stringy part right here. Like callaloo. See that? This part, if you don't peel off this part, it's gonna be really trashy.
Yeah.
So we need to peel off this part. So you see the young ones don't have anything to peel off. It's just real thin. You can't get anything out of the young one.
Okay.
So this is what we're going to do. We're going to peel it. Peel it just like that. Peel away all that trash. And we need to peel the trash carefully and properly. And the banana tree is a thing like the banana itself, if you leave it out water too long, it will get black.
Ah, okay.
So while we're cleaning it, we'll be putting it in water.
It's funny how like we have a lot of these stuff in Jamaica. Like I think we can consume a lot of these stuff, man. But we just I guess it's not in our culture, man. But banana tree, I grew up on banana tree. I grew up eating banana. So yeah, man, it's good to try something new. So.
Yeah, let's do it. You want to come in the shade?
Pretty fresh. And from a taste it, you can say, yeah, this take the flavor of whatsoever you eat it with.
Okay. Thank you. So look at the texture of it. It's almost like a honeycomb texture on it. Yeah. Nice crunch, kind of chewy. Little kind of grassy taste. I agree with you about the cabbagey / sugarcane kind of vibe. And yeah, it definitely seems like one of those ones that needs some extra kick with it. Just like Chef said, add some other flavors to it, it'll take on anything. So yeah, nice light, beautiful texture though. Very fresh. And yeah, there's banana plants just everywhere. So this is a very easy to get ingredient that I guess is quite underused. So getting towards the end of it. So it's pretty fine work, yeah? You really got to get in the right part. Make sure you take off that stringiness. From that huge banana plant, you only end up using a pretty small.
Yeah.
Small.
We still have this.
Yeah. So I guess when I say small, I mean that's still a huge amount. Lots to work with.
Basically, the further you get into it, is like no strings. Like this part is literally like
just breaks
almost
off.
No strings on this. Yeah. In there. Boil at the same time.
So like you said, when the air touches it, sometimes it turns a little darker.
Yeah.
So nothing wrong with it at all. It's just the oxidization, kind of like avocado.
That's why we leave it in the water.
Yeah, try to keep it as.
It's like any the ground provisions that are staining, like yam, banana.
Yeah.
When I leave it out the water, it becomes black. And when I leave it exposed to the air for too long, so we just leave it in the water so it can remain nice and vibrant. Chop this baby up. You can chop it in any desired shape, size or form. And I'm gonna cut these nice and small. Yeah, and this is very versatile. You can do a lot of things with this. Just look at that.
Yeah.
Very versatile. We can make salad with it. You can incorporate it with meat. You can cook it by itself. It's very versatile.
Yeah, even having it raw, that one piece was nice. Really nice to eat.
Right, the ackee is ready. Right now, just drain off the water.
We're hanging on the rooftop. We got ackee tree right beside us, literally. Just perfect. Yeah, I mean, none of them are ready yet, but you could literally just pick, throw it in the pot. But as every Jamaican knows, make sure it's open first.
One thing, I'm just imagine, throw down the hot water and somebody a walk past.
Yeah. Safety first. So this is Rameish's nephew. What's it like having a boss chef for an uncle? Pretty good? Do you get fed regularly? Awesome. What's your favorite thing he makes?
The beer chicken.
Beer chicken. Sounds good.
Yo, I heard that's a good one.
I don't know about that one. Okay, I'll have to give that one a try. Alright. So you got the nice big pan for the ackee here. Do most people boil the ackee first? It's a classic thing, or some people fry it up straight away, or does it matter?
No, I don't think it can eat that way.
You can't just fry it.
No.
You gotta boil first.
After.
Okay.
Have to boil it first. Remember that, and remember, make sure the ackee fully open.
Yeah.
Make sure it's fully open before. Yeah. A lot of people take a risk when they purchase, like when they buy ackee on the street. That's actually a risk. It's actually better when you pick your own ackee. You know, say you pick it and it open. You pick it. But when you purchase it on the street, it's actually a risk because you don't know if them actually selling it from you know, like force open it.
Yeah.
So it's actually a risk.
Make some extra money.
Yeah, but ackee is the shit, man.
Right now we add the vegetable. Give this a little stir fry. Nice and proper. So when this actually starts frying, we're going to add the banana tree. So the ackee is the last thing we're going to add. This is definitely one of my favorite parts when cooking, when just adding the vegetable to the pot, because that smell can't get old. Right about now, we're going to go ahead and add the banana tree, just like that. Like the other vegetables, this really don't take a lot of time to cook. But instead of frying everything one time, I want to like get those vegetables nice and soft, nice and sauté before adding the banana. And right now, we're going into the steaming process. Nice and proper. Right about now, we're going to season this pot. I even curried this before. Do a video of me currying it.
Banana tree?
Yeah, the curry banana tree. And ate it with some mint roti. Tastes super good. In this case, if we add a little bit, the pot now will taste like ram goat. But basically, anything you add this to like boosts a ram goat flavor.
Nice.
So we use a little bit because I like how it tastes. It give me like an all-purpose vibe. It tastes real good. You see, if you cook soup, this definitely turn up the flavor. You see, if you have a chicken foot soup you cook, you add this, it's going to taste like a goat soup, literally. It's most powerful in liquid, like in soup. Home choice. Yeah, big up home choice. We're going with the ram goat booster, just like that.
Never go wrong with garlics. Keeps vampires away. Tastes good.
We're going to add the black pepper right after we add the ackee. This right here is some all-purpose season.
You can't go wrong with some Maggi all-purpose in a
Tell
bro. Every single thing, you know.
Yeah, jury one pot.
Nice.
You can't leave out the all-purpose.
Oh,
You know?
God, man.
You can also add a little bit of nutmeg.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So nutmeg vibe also.
And what do they call nutmeg in Jamaica again?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. A little bit of nutmeg for that sweet flavor.
Ah, nice touch. Mik's getting stoked.
Yeah.
Some jerk season.
Okay.
Just like that.
Just a touch. Nothing overdone.
Mix that baby up. Wow. You see the banana tree doesn't take a long time to cook. You look at it, it's beginning to change color. It's nice and soft.
Same process.
Yeah, you can eat it just like this. But one more thing we're going to add is the ackee.
Nice.
Yeah, the scent is coming together so nicely right now. All those different spices blending, melding, the oiliness, all the vegetable juice simmering down, steaming. That banana vibe, crazy.
Vibes. You sure this is not a pop chow, bro?
Yes, I pop chow though. Right now, reach the end part. Gonna add the ackee. And the next thing, the black pepper.
So you say ackee, you gotta have black pepper on it.
Yeah, it tastes better with black pepper. Tastes more complete. Now just combine, just like that.
The banana looks like it cooks so quick. And like you said, it not only does it suck up the flavor, it just sucks up the color too.
Yeah.
Just
No,
takes
it
all.
actually changed color on its own. We got nice, perfect ackee. The ackee them not broke down. Everything nice and perfectly cooked. I just cover this baby and give it like a next 5 more minutes.
So we got a bonus here from Rameish. Bonus roti, you said?
Yeah, it's just a regular roti.
Okay.
We make some to plate it. Yeah.
Cool.
So this is some flour, some sugar.
Okay.
Next we're gonna add some salt. Yeah, that's it for the dry ingredients. Now we add some cooking oil.
Alright.
Cooking oil helps with the flexibility of the roti. Cooking oil and hot water. That's what makes the roti flexible. We got some vanilla.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm always impressed when people can just eyeball it.
Yeah.
And just go
pretty
for it.
easy. And the last thing we're going to add to this is the water.
Okay.
See there? Put that on the fire, boy.
Yes. So very important to have it hot water?
Yeah. Not directly hot, but
Warmed.
yeah. Add some of that in there. Very essential. Very, very essential. I don't want to burn myself.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do, use a spatula and knead the dough. Just like that. And that's pretty much it for the roti.
What?
That's it.
So quick. Yeah, you weren't kidding when you said it was a quick, easy one.
I'm gonna make a dough and then we roll this out. Yeah. In the meantime, just put this pot on the fire. Now just go ahead and finish it off. Knead it.
So just a feeling thing and you'll know how much flour it needs. You can always add a little more flour.
Yeah, you can always
if
add a
you-
little more.
Yeah.
Right now, this is the perfect amount of flour. I'm just gonna knead out all this flour. You'll combine with the dough. Just like that, the dough is complete.
Nice.
So I just give this about the next 7 minutes or so to rest. This way becomes more easier to deal with because right now it's more sticky. Yeah. You let it rest, it just becomes smooth and nothing sticks to your finger.
Nice.
Just easier to deal with. So this baby rest a little.
The sun is coming down. It's cooling off very nicely. Just a fantastic evening here in Portmore. And yeah, the roti's done. The banana ackee is done. And we're about to get a crazy rice and peas punch. I've never heard of this in my life. I know there's a lot of different kind of unique punches in Jamaica, sometimes even with things like sea cat, also known as octopus. It's lots of different ingredients, but yeah, this is I think a first for me and maybe a first for the world to see this kind of one. Have you had rice and peas punch?
Nope.
Okay.
The first, it's original.
This is the first.
Yeah, guys, I came up with it.
Okay,
Rice
we're
and
claiming
peas
this.
punch.
This is a Rameish specialty, first time
It's an original.
to the world. Yeah, this is looking really crazy. Dragon Stout kind of reminds me of a Guinness beer. Or Guinness Stout, I guess. This one, I don't know, Suplagen, like a vanilla protein drink. 16 grams of sugar, not too bad. Relatively healthy, perhaps.
I go ahead with the peas in the blender. Right now we are making the rice and peas rum punch.
World first.
World first.
Claiming it.
Well, not the world first because I made it like 2 times before.
Okay.
But yeah, original recipe.
World's third.
First time on Ra's Kitchen, first time on Yard Life's Good.
Crazy, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Rice and peas, rum punch.
And how legit is this location? This is it.
On the roof, brother.
Straight up on the roof.
Ho, ho, ho.
So the Dragon Stout.
Really hard man, innit?
We're gonna blend the stout with the peas. That's what I actually was gonna say. The smell of the peas and the
Comes right
stout,
away.
it just smells so distinct and really good. I like it. Next up,
Crazy.
we're gonna blend the rice.
Okay. So you said you make the rice extra soggy,
Yeah.
wet rice, so it blends up.
This way less lumps and
Yeah.
blend out more smoothly.
Such a wild one.
Ever seen rice put up in a blender like that?
So you missed the step, Mik, but I'll update you.
Oh yeah.
So it's kind of the nice stout there,
So this is the peas and the stout.
finely blended.
Oh yeah, the rice. Oh,
Now this is the rice in the blender. Here it is.
Okay.
We're
I was
gonna add
say.
the protein shake. Yeah, 2 protein shake. We're using Suplagen for this one.
It's got a nice vanilla scent to it. It's healthy, man. It's got stout and it's gonna have rum, but it's gonna be healthy.
Vanilla. Just like that.
Nice.
Going with some rum. Rice and peas rum punch. We got to use a decent amount of rum, right?
Absolutely.
Right here we got the salt.
Salt is an interesting one for this. I wouldn't have expected to add salt. Yeah.
Yeah, milk.
You do add to counter it. Okay. Cool. I figured there's some chemistry chef knowledge that I'm
Banana.
unaware of. Yeah. Oh, bananas. Dude, this is a pre or post workout drink. Or pre or post party drink.
Just like that. Next thing we're gonna add is the condensed milk.
Also known as Betty
Sometimes
Milk.
we blend it and it's not too sweet, it's not sweet to our liking. That's why we always add a little sugar and standby just in case. But in this case we're not making a big batch. It's pretty easy to measure. Yeah, the milk will do. Yeah.
Yeah, Betty's pretty sweet on its own. So make sure you follow and subscribe to Rameish D'Souza. I'm gonna link the Instagram, the Facebook, the YouTube below, whatever you're into, and same with Mik at Yard Life's Good. Do not miss that step. So Betty milk, condensed milk, sweet milk.
Oh, we're also gonna add just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Combine the rice mixture and the peas mixture, just like that, everything coming together.
Yeah, it just looks like a classic punch.
This tastes amazing with ice.
I bet.
Tastes amazing with some ice. So we're not quite finished as yet. We're still going to strain it. Yeah, just in case any lumps in there with the blender never get. Taste it and taste it. You need any sugar. Listen, you want any sugar?
That's perfectly sweet for me.
Yeah,
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't like too sweet. That's just gonna. I think the Betty milk has enough sugar. Does it all. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. Nice blend. I don't see too many lumpy, chunky stuff in there. Smooth.
Perfectly blend. Yeah. Barely get any lumps. Barely. So right now we are gonna share it everything. Just stay tuned and look what I go on.
Alright, so yeah, here's the rum punch. Rice and peas. A Jamaican classic in a drink format. Have you ever seen that? I bet you have not. Certainly my first time. Surprisingly, it doesn't taste overpoweringly like rice or peas. Just a nice, cool, refreshing drink. Healthiness too. All the nice spices mixed together. I don't even really taste that much rum actually. I could probably triple the rum up and be okay. Although this is probably a healthier version. So yeah, this is what a wild drink. So here's our plate here, roti style. Got the nice banana, ackee, roti, little salad, all coming together. So just take a little bit of roti, some ackee, banana all together. Mmm. So saucy, so tender. And the banana, I mean, yeah, it's such a crazy one. It just tastes whatever flavor you add to it. That roti cooks so quickly. Now, the roti came together so nicely. It might be one of those things where Rameish makes it look really easy, and it's not that easy if you actually try it yourself. However, after he made it look so nice and easy to do, I think I'd be willing to try this nice roti. So if you've eaten banana this way, please comment below, because like I said, I think it's really interesting to visit other countries, other cultures. They may have a lot of similar plants, a lot of them have different names, and a lot of them are used differently just depending on where you're from. So there's probably a lot of amazing things growing in Jamaica that, you know, maybe they're eaten a lot in Asia and we just haven't heard about in Jamaica, and vice versa too. Maybe there's things that teas and herbs and foods that they eat in Jamaica that may not be used in other countries. So it's just so cool to see. Wow. This is crazy, man. Unbelievable. The rice and peas punch, you could triple the rum up for me and I'd be happy. I'm fine, I didn't taste much rum, but I mean, that's actually nice. But yeah, it's amazing. This roti is so nice and chewy and tender. Look at the style too. Whoa. So how's it going?
Bro, I always know that the banana chunk itself is edible, but it's my first time, and this with the ackee, as I said before, it's giving it that crunchy vibe. That banana tree is just, yo, remember me tell you, it's like a cabbage in between with pop chow vibe. Oh, remember me tell you, crazy. And with this paired with ackee, with all of that seasoning, this literally tastes so good. This tastes so good. So we can get a good chunk of the banana.
Something different here, for real. Yeah, if I had to compare the banana to something, I'd almost compare it to, I don't know, it's not quite cabbagey to me because it doesn't have that crunch. It becomes quite soft. So maybe the soft part, or the ridge or stem of a callaloo, something like that. It really is its own thing, but still very nice. A very subtle kind of flavor. But all the herbs and spices in here just make it super nice. And yeah, it's definitely something I hope to see it more around Jamaica. I mean, it's awesome that people like Rameish are spreading these unique kind of food vibes in a place where it's not as typical to eat, but very common. And you know, there's a lot of banana plants around where you could get a lot of free food. So these days, I don't care where you are in the world, if you can get a free food source, fantastic, go for it. So make sure you subscribe to Yard Life's Good, follow Mik, incredible videos. We did a couple videos last year that turned out really nice. And definitely check out Rameish DeSouza. Great guy, great chef, young, up and coming, creative. It's so cool to see. And I know he's becoming very well known and well loved here in Jamaica for those exact reasons. Yeah, man. Well, first off, I appreciate you having us so much. This was amazing.
Yeah, man.
Hanging on the rooftop in your home, felt super welcome. Great energy, great vibe.
Yeah.
And I love your creativity. It's been so cool to experience.
A message, peeps, just go over my YouTube channel and subscribe. Stay tuned for future upload, because I work on a lot of different creative recipes and a lot of different adventure. So just go over my channel, subscribe, and stay tuned. Yeah, man. WOYOOIE. Bless up.